Well, when a new client comes through the door, one of the things that we try to do is we try to figure out what the starting point is. And we'll take them through a series of a couple initial complimentary, no obligation meetings. The first meeting is what we call is a get to know you meeting. It's our initial meeting where a client will come in, they'll fill out a 2-page survey. The first page is about family information, where do they live, how long they've lived there, tell us about the family, what's their occupation, what are their responsibilities, what motivated them to get in that type of an industry. And then we'll transition, after we talk a little bit about the kids and their health, we'll talk about a little bit about their finances and the 7 disciplines of personal finance. Who's their accountant? How do they feel about taxes? How do they feel about investments? How do they feel about the insurance policies that they've purchased in the past? How do they feel about their estate plan? Do they like the way that they set up things to go to their loved ones should something happen to them? We'll talk about their cash flow issues, their debt situation. We'll talk about what they're trying to do in the future, when they want to retire, what standard of living, are they going to snowbird? These are all the things that we're going to talk about in that initial meeting just to get a feel for the client and what they're trying to accomplish. And in that meeting, what we're really trying to do is we're trying to figure out if the services that Vermillion Financial Advisors offers is a service that will benefit the client. And if so, and we think we can really help that client, one of the things that we're going to do is we're going to offer a second appointment or a follow-up. And that is what we call a discovery meeting. A discovery meeting is all about the client bringing in their personal documents and allowing us to do a cursory overview of it. And in that meeting, we're going to go through their tax returns. We're going to go through their investment statements. We're going to go through their insurances. We're going to look at their pay stubs. We're going to look at their mortgage terms and conditions. We're going to look at where they're spending money and where they're not spending money, how much they're saving, what kind of cars they own, and what kind of insurance they have on those cars. We're going to go through all 7 disciplines of personal finance, and if we think we can help them, then we'll offer them a service that we think is most appropriate, or several services, and let the client choose. Because one of the things that we believe is the freedom of choice for a client. We want them to, if they're going to engage us in a method that provides them value and is something that they feel that is worth engaging an advisor and working with an advisor on an ongoing basis. And then after that initial meeting, depending on what type of service the client's looking for, whether it's investment management, whether it's financial planning, whether they want to start off with an inventory, we'll take that next step toward that service that they've indicated that they want to try. And the neat thing about the way in which we operate is we give the client the opportunity to start with one service if they want. They can hire us on an hourly basis. They can hire us on a project basis. They can hire us on an annual basis. It's whatever is important to the client and what is most suitable for that client. And most clients will start off with an inventory, whether it be a financial inventory or an investment inventory. And that's the starting point. That allows us to document where they are today. It also allows us to document their goals and their dreams for tomorrow. For more information on Vermillion Financial Advisors, or should you wish to speak to one of our certified financial planners, call today or visit us online. Additionally, should you have any questions about this video, or if there's a specific topic that you would like addressed, please leave a comment below. Thanks for listening.